Welcome to Chart Traders. Today you will learn head and shoulder pattern. So what is head and shoulder pattern? A head and a shoulder pattern is a chart formation that resembles a baseline with three peaks. The two outside are close in height and the middle is highest. Okay, so the head, which is a middle highest peak, and the shoulder, that is left and right pattern, describe a specific chart formation that predicts bullish to bearish trend reversal. Okay, so the head and the shoulder pattern is believed to be one of the most reliable trend reversal pattern. So how it's look like? Okay, we have a uptrend. Okay, then left shoulder it forms taking support at one point, again go up, down, taking support at point 2, which is equal to point 1, again go up, come back here and break down. Okay, so here you have to take trade. Okay, or you can take in a pullback. Okay, so now what is your entry point? This here. What is the stop loss? You can take right shoulder or the 50% between your height, that is from baseline to your right shoulder. According to your risk management, you can take stop loss. And what is the target? The difference between your head to your neckline. Okay, that is a target from baseline to any downside. Okay, so with the help of this head and shoulder pattern, you can easily identify trend reversal. Okay, so just what is a trade setup? Connect head and shoulder bottoms in a trade line or neckline. When the price closes below the neckline, a short trade is signal. Okay, what is the target? Compute the distance between your apex and the head shoulder pattern and the neckline. Okay, so apex of the head and shoulder pattern is a middle one, and the neckline, so you have to take the difference of apex and the neckline, that is your target. And after the trade entry, if the price close above your neckline, that is a failure of the pattern, so place a stop loss above the neckline. So normally we are keeping the stop loss, that is a here 50% from the difference, or according to your risk management you can take height of right shoulder also, but it's a very large stop loss, so normally we will just place above your neckline, that is your stop loss. Okay, hope it's clear. So we will see with the help of example. I have opened my Zerodha account. If you don't know what is Zerodha, if you want to open account with Zerodha, just link is given below in the description box. Just click on it and open an account. Now here in a Indigo on a daily basis, see we have a one head. Okay, taking support at this point, then move up and again came down. Okay, again go up, which is equal to the height of previous previous shoulder, that is equal, not always equal, but minor difference is allowed, and then came back. So now after the breakout from this point at a downside, you can take entry. What is the target? The target, here the point is around 1161. Highest you can take around 1340, so around roughly 150 point, 11642, around 200 point. So from down around 200 really may occur, but here only 100 points. So according to your risk management, you can take profit. Okay, normally I will book the profit here. Okay, on a second bullish candle. Okay, now what is the stop loss in this? You can just keep above this point. Okay, or 50% of this. So what is the stop loss in this case? Also around 120011, that is a 40 point. Okay, so this is a head and shoulder pattern in Indigo. One more, that is in BPCL. Okay, left shoulder, head and right shoulder here, but this is our neckline, so I am looking for the pattern to be formed. Okay, if the price is close below this pattern, then my target is first one, and after that my target 2. Okay, the target one is calculated based on this difference or you can say support, because it is taking support multiple times here. And second is this is the support, previous support, so my target 1 and target 2. But in this chart, that is BPCL on a 15-minute, okay, breakout won't happen below this line, because you can see that we have a trend line, okay, and it is taking support first, then second and third. Okay, if break down and close below this point, then my target 1 appear, but failure at that point, after some time breakdown and it came to the target 1. Okay, so you have to check for different parameter also, like trend line, support and resistance, while you are analyzing your pattern. Okay, it's not always, because see here the reversal from this pattern might be possible. Okay, it came here and go up also, go up is also possible. So you have to calculate the different parameter like trade line, support and resistance of the stock while you are looking for the pattern on a chart also. Okay, so hope head and shoulder pattern is clear. If you have any query, just write down in comment section. Okay, if you like my video, share with others, subscribe to my channel. Thank you.